How can I recover blocked WhatsApp messages on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can recover blocked WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Sometimes, you might block a contact and later decide that you want to recover the messages from that person. So, let's dive into it.
What happens when you block someone on WhatsApp?
First off, it's important to understand what happens when you block someone on WhatsApp. The blocked person cannot send you messages, see your status updates, or know when you've read their messages. Once a person is blocked, all their new messages are blocked. Unfortunately, these messages can't be retrieved after unblocking. However, the messages sent before they were blocked will still be in your chat history, unless you've deleted the chat.
How to recover the deleted chat?
If you have deleted the chat with the blocked contact, there's still a chance to recover those messages, given that you have a backup that was created before the deletion. Here are the steps to restore your chats. 1. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. 2. Agree to the terms and conditions, and verify your phone number. 3. WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history from iCloud. Make sure you have the iCloud backup option enabled in your iPhone settings before this. Hit Restore. Remember, this method will only bring back the messages that were backed up before the chat was deleted.
Can you recover messages from a blocked contact who was never unblocked?
If a contact was blocked and the chat history with them was not deleted, the old messages will still be available in your chat list after unblocking. But remember, any new messages sent by the blocked contact during the block period won't be recoverable. You can unblock a contact by going to WhatsApp Settings, Account Privacy, Blocked, select the contact Unblock. And that's it. While you cannot recover the messages sent during the time someone was blocked on WhatsApp, you can still recover the messages sent before the blocking by keeping a proper chat backup or by simply not deleting the chat history. We hope you find this information helpful. Until next time, stay connected, stay safe.